Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today, we're gonna take a look at the Nike Air Foamposite Pro in black and metallic gold. You hear me? Let's get into it. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you got the all black box, you got the glossy, large Nike logo running across the top, got the same thing around all the sides. Here's a look at the tag, you see it, the Air Foamposite Pro in black and metallic gold. These retail for $230. They release on November the 17th. Now opening the box, you got the white paper with the Nike logos printed around on it. But that ain't what we're here for. Here it is, the Nike Air Foamposite Pro in black and metallic gold. Now, if you know me, you know I lean more towards a black shoe, a darker colored shoe, you know what I'm saying? So you should already know how I feel about this here, you know what I'm saying? Now, I haven't always been a fan of Foamposites. I like the original, you know what I'm saying? The ones that Penny came out with, the black and blue, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, they all been a pass for me. I feel like they too heavy. You know what I'm saying? They don't give me that. They not like they used to be, man. You know what I'm saying? So looking at the shoe, under the bottom, you got the all black outsole, the metallic gold swoosh under the bottom. On the side, you can see you got that carbon fiber, another metallic gold swoosh. At the top, you can see the gold strip running along the tongue from top to bottom. Gold swoosh on the back. Black pull tab with Foamposite wrote in gold. Medial side, pretty plain. I mean, it is what it is, man. I think it's dope, man. Let's look from the front, the top. Come on, man, let me know what you think, man. You feeling them or not? You know what I'm saying? Now looking at the other shoe, everything is identical, no difference between the two. You know what I'm saying? Again, we're gonna go around the shoe on the back. There's that gold swoosh, medial side, again, and here's the front. You know what I mean? So I think it's dope, man. I'm feeling this nubuck, suede, whatever it is they got on the side, man. And on the inside, you got the insole with the black, with the gold swoosh in the air. I mean, to me, it's dope, man. I'm feeling it. I might have to pick me up a pair, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I gotta see what's happening with it. Yeah, but these are a little too heavy for me, man, you know, so let me know what y'all think about them, man. You feeling them or not? Follow us on Instagram at PetlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel, turn your notifications on, share a video, and I'ma holler back.